Dear friends, today's topic is how to recharge a FASTag account online. So let us go to Google. Then you need to enter into the concerned FASTag account website. I have taken FASTag from ICICI Bank account. So I will be using my ICICI FASTag account to recharge my FASTag account. So I have already applied this FASTag account, FASTag. So I have been given a username and password. So let us see how to recharge FASTag account. Now let us go to the website fastag.login.icicibank.com. So here if we go, there are two ways. One is individual login, the other is corporate. Now again here individual, one way is login via username, next is login via mobile number. So here I am using login via username. Okay, so I am clicking that. So I have entered my username and also the password which has been allotted while taking FASTag from the ICICI Bank account, ICICI Bank. So I am click login, click I agree to the terms and condition, accept. Now since I have recharge it for a long period of time, not recharge for a long period of time, I need to reset the password. So I am giving a new password and confirming the new password. Actually FASTag is mandatory now. If you don't have FASTag in your vehicle while traveling in NH, national highways, you will be charged double the rate for the concerned toll. So I am giving the new password and confirming the new password. So my password will be reset since I have not recharged it or used it for some particular period of time. So click submit. So I am updating the password. Click update password, click OK. Okay, so again we have to login via username. So I am given the username and password, updated password. Click login. So this is the FASTag login dashboard. Okay, so here my account is active. This is the customer ID. Okay, then the wallet limit is 10,000 rupees. Up to a maximum of 10,000 rupees I can able to recharge this FASTag account. Okay, so account type is individual. Then this is the balance. Now I have zero balance, but it is in negative. Okay, active tag account is in negative minus 22.63 rupees. So here this is the contact information. Then these are the tag, account number, then license plate number, right? Then tag serial number, status is active, balance is minus 22.63. Okay, this is the activity history. Okay, today I have reset the password. Now I will be recharging. Already I have recharged with 200 rupees. Okay, earlier. So I will be recharging with 2000 rupees to my FASTag account. Actually in this account, if the account balance is less than 200, then it will be deactive. Once you recharge it with greater than 200 rupees, then automatically it will be reactivated. So see here, payments, go to payments, go to recharge account, click that. Now click this, yes. Now recharge with amount, enter the amount, so 2000, then come down. See here there are two options, payment modes. One is with convenience fee, the other is without convenience fee or free of any charges or convenience fee. If you use internet banking or unified payment gateway, there is no charge. Whereas if you use credit card, debit card, right, or Razorpay, there will be charge. So I am using ICICI Bank, retail banking. Okay, so convenience fee is 0. Okay, so click continue. Now confirm the amount and click on make a payment to complete the transaction. Click make payment. Now you have to enter the user ID and the password. Click user ID and the password. So after entering the user ID, give the password. And this is for the ICICI Bank net banking. Login, click login. Okay, now you can add remarks. Any remarks is up to you to add. Then enter the one-time password which has been sent to your registered mobile number with the concerned bank. So you need to enter the one-time password. It is nothing but authorizing the internet banking which you have. Okay, this one-time password will come only to your registered mobile number. So just a minute. Let me check the mobile. So I am entering the one-time password which I received in my mobile, registered mobile number. Then click pay. Yes, your payment is successful. Okay, so payment of rupees 2000 has been made successfully to the FASTag account. So now see here, recharge amount 2000. Okay, convenience fee is 0. So this is a customer ID, payment mode, transaction date and time. So click payment receipt. Payment has been done successfully. Okay, click payment receipt. You can download it and save it. I am storing it in my desktop. Click save. You can open it and see the PDF. Okay, double click. So this is the customer receipt. There is a receipt for which you have made the or you have recharged the FASTag account with the ICICI Bank. This is the tag account, license plate number, vehicle, car, amount paid or amount recharged for FASTag. Thank you for choosing FASTag account, it says. Now come back to this. Let us go and check whether the amount has been updated in our FASTag account or not. This is payment history. Go to account summary, click it. Yes, the active tag account balance positive is rupees 1977 because already minus 22 something rupees was there. So 2000 minus that minus balance. So it is correct, exactly right. So balance has been added. Okay. So this is a process how to recharge a FASTag account. Now let me log out. Okay. So this is the process how to recharge the FASTag account online. Okay. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to iIntelligence to get videos on daily use technology. Also like and share. Okay. Thank you friends.